Parenting, where love meets logic. Hi, do you make your kids realize that they cannot achieve any milestone without your support? And are you concerned about your children's every decision? If you answer yes to both of our questions, then we would like to draw your attention here. We think parenting is an art, and one's ability to be mature as one can be with your kids. There should be only two things in parenting. The first one is easy, love. And another one, can you guess? Well, it is logic. Don't panic. We are sure you're best at your work, but you need to be perfect at it. So here we are with some golden rules of parenting. But before sharing these rules, you need to understand some basics. Open your doors for your children to love. No, not to anyone else, but learn to love themselves first. Now the question arises, why do kids these days lie to their parents? Sometimes the micromanagement affects your kid's psychology, and that treatment leads to hiding things and eventually lying. It doesn't mean that you're wrong, but so much of concern can lead to these types of situations. Parenting needs to be free of all these concerns. We're not saying to allow your kids to get into blunderous circumstances, but to leave them to gain experience and learn through their mistakes while doing. As parents to your kids, what you need to understand is the meaning of self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is the fundamental principle of the human psyche. The psychology of kids will never understand your intentions, which eventually is for their betterment. But if your parenthood will allow your kids to be free, then their mindset can be broadened to feel liberated to share their emotions, beliefs, ideas, and thoughts to you. Did you get any idea? If no, then don't worry. We have got some golden rules to work it out. How will you feel when one will take your freedom and say the word never to you? The same way, kids do not like this particular word because it shows you being pessimistic. This one word creates a vast impact on children's psychology. Keep yourself at the place of your child and think how much you will like when someone says to you, "If you have any question, ask me." Children like when someone boosts their confidence. It builds mutual trust between you and your kid. One of the best parenting techniques is to say "good luck" before every single work. It will raise their self-esteem and give a sense of guarantee that whatever the situation, you are behind them. If you ask us what can be a solution when a kid lies, then we can give you one piece of advice. The trick of asking your child what they like about today on every single day can prevent them from lying to you. They will feel comfortable and will be able to share their thoughts and whereabouts to you. When we were children, we always wanted our parents to believe in us. Yes, tell your children that you believe in them. It will lead to a strong belief in their mindset that their parents believe in them. At last, we want to conclude with the words from the wise man. Parenting is all about love and logic.